Happy New Year, everyone. I have a bit of an announcement to make. The character design using Explorative Copy course is finally ready. Just as a quick reminder, this is the full version of the mini course I published a few months back that covers how to study and draw characters using a very unique method that's very beginner friendly. For those of you who purchased the bundle with all my older 10 courses, first of all, thank you so much for your support. You have no idea how much it has helped me. But second, you can now access the course through the download link, so don't forget to check it out. A few days ago, I uploaded a video where I mentioned that the 10 courses promo was gonna be gone by the end of the year. I think I will leave it available until this Sunday 5th, so everyone who didn't get it can have one last chance. After that, for real, I will be taking it down. I might make other bundles, but the all courses bundle will be gone. We are at almost 4,000 subs. I cannot believe how fast the channel has grown. It appears there are a lot of people interested in Inkscape and in illustration. This year was not kind to me regarding the personal, that's why I couldn't give it my all. But hopefully next year I can bring in all those new ideas that I have. Thank you so much for being present and have a great new year.